Hello friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Messenger keyboard keeps closing. To know how to fix or how to solve Messenger keyboard keeps closing, you should just go to settings. Here on this page you click apps, default apps, app settings. When you'll find this list, you will search about the window of Messenger. Then in this list of app info you will click on force stop and you will click OK. Here we'll go to click storage. After that you will enter to clear cache, and in the end you can go to Play Store. You will search about Messenger, you can click update, then you can know how to update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching. Goodbye.